He's a walking contradiction.
Yeah.
Partly truth and he's partly fiction. Taking every wrong direction on this lonely way back home. He has tasted good and evil in his bedroom and his bars, and he's trading in tomorrow for today. He's running from the devil's law and reaching for the stars, losing all his love along the way. But if this world keeps right on changing, for the better or the worse, all he'll ever get is older. From the rocking of the cradle to the rolling of the hearse, going up ain't worth the coming down. He's a poet, vicar, he's a prophet, butcher, he's a pilgrim man preacher, he's a prophet when he's stoned. He's a walking contradiction, partly truth, partly fiction, taking every wrong direction.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah. Matthew, man, I blew out a lung.
You guys may remember Mr. Rob Bird from North Carolina when we came up on him. Maybe it was Tennessee. It was somewhere.
Tennessee.
Was it Tennessee?
Yeah.
Okay. You can never tell when you're in Tennessee or North Carolina. You don't know what state you're in. Flip-flop so damn much. But it's the man with the Casper van. That's the man with the Casper van. That's right.
Oh yeah.
And you know, he's always got some goodies for the hikers too, man. He's got sodas in there, he's got Gatorades in there, he got some Danishes, all those chocolate snacks, some honey buns. Man, he knows what we like. And that's my man Nomad from Four Pines. He probably thought I'd never get here neither. By foot. Got here by foot, that's right. And we're fighting out here. But yeah, man, it's such a nice surprise. We came down on this side of the road. We come up and you cross the road and it goes to the trail up through there. We came up there, I looked over, I seen the van. I said, duck hole D2. You guys gonna come over here. saw the van, man. So what a lovely surprise. Rob, I'm glad you got to play some guitar, man. See, what's that?
What'd you say?
I said, Ron, I'm glad you got to play some guitar.
Oh yeah, me too.
Hell yeah, dude. And yeah, this ain't just mine out here, man. That's for sure. Sometimes, yeah, you gotta let people play, man. Oh, so yeah, nothing but love for you, nothing but love for Casper, and all our new friends out here, man.